Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another hair video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this gorgeous hairstyle on my 4C hair. There is no added hair. This is all my hair. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this. I'm not going to lie to you, it's not the easiest hairstyle to do, especially if you're doing it by yourself on your own hair. This took me 2 days to do. And if you do not know how to flat twist, this might be very difficult because this is all flat twist. But I'm still going to show you guys what I do in case you want to practice it or just try and see what you come up with. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, just go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so let us start. I was very excited to do this hairstyle. My sister actually gave me the idea for this style. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I section. You guys know I always section my hair first before I come on camera because I have to really focus and section my hair. So anyways, you're going to part your hair down the middle. And then in front, you do a section right there at the front. Initially, I was going to do the bangs to fall directly in my face with the way I section them. As you guys can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But eventually, I decided to make the bangs swoop to the side. Next, you're going to do parts from your hairline towards the center of your head. As you guys can see, I already did 2 sections just to kind of gauge where I wanted my buns to be. But you're going to do that around your head, from your hairline, around the back, everywhere. Just do the part from the hairline to the middle of your head where you want your buns to be. So kind of imagine where you want your buns to be and do it towards the direction. So now I'm just moisturizing my hair, spraying some water. And then I'm using Trelux products for this video. So I'm going to be using the Untie the Knots Leave-In Conditioner. And then after that, I'm going to be applying the 4-in-1 Hydrating Moisturizer. On top of that, I like to use the 2 products together because my hair is very coarse. So anytime I'm doing a style like this where I have to really part my hair, I like to use products that are really going to soften my hair, my very coarse hair, so that it makes it easier for me to part. Next, I'm about to do my flat twist now. You guys know this technique that I'm doing. So I'm basically separating the section into pieces. Those are the pieces I'm going to pick up while I'm flat twisting. I've shown you guys this technique numerous times. When I'm flat twisting, doing cornrows, doing any hairstyle where I have to like twist or braid my hair, I always do this. It just makes the flat twisting process much easier when I'm picking hair as I'm doing my flat twist. And it also helps to reduce breakage and tangling while I'm flat twisting. So I just flat twist towards the middle, towards my crown. And yeah, flat twist upwards up until the end. Like I said, this style took me 2 days to do. If you're doing it on your own head, especially if you do not blow dry your hair, well, I mean, if you can't blow dry your hair, that should count as part of the process. So yeah, but anyways, I don't like to blow dry my hair before I do styles like this. I just like to do it directly, so it takes me a little longer, especially with having to part my hair and all of that. But yeah, if it would be easier for you to blow dry your hair first before doing a style like this, definitely go ahead. Just make sure you use heat protectant products. If you want, I can recommend some down below in the comment section that are really good. But yeah, personally, I don't like to blow dry my hair like that. I just like to, I barely use heat on my hair. I just like to do my hair directly. So I'm just flat twisting, as you guys can see. Making sure I moisturize my hair first before I flat twist. Moisturizing your hair properly goes a long way because first of all, this is a protective style, and if you're going to be keeping this in for about 2 to 3 weeks, you want to make sure that you're using really good moisturizers so that they will last long in your hair, and yeah, your hair is not dry while it's in the protective style. So I've done this part, as you guys can see. I really did an amazing job with parting my hair for this style. I have to give myself the credit. So I'm doing the back now, and as you guys can see, I have a mirror in front of me and I also have a mirror behind me. That's how I see my head around to do my flat twist, to do my sections. Because the people always ask how I see the back of my head. Just use 2 mirrors. Put one in front of you and put one behind you. So now I'm done doing one side. I have 22 flat twists on this side. I'm just turning around so you guys will kind of see the sections and just see how everything is supposed to look. Hi guys, so if you haven't seen my previous YouTube video, I did a Halloween tutorial where I transformed into Blossom from Powerpuff Girls. So yeah, if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out after watching this video. Thank you. Now let's get back to the tutorial. So I'm just gonna put it in a bun, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera and come back and show you guys what it looks like. So both sides are done, 22 flat twists on each side. Now we're gonna work on the front. So initially, like I said, I wanted to do my bangs to fall directly in my face, but I realized that I always do my bangs like that. So I decided to switch it up a bit and do them to like fall to the side so that they will be out of my face. So again, I'm moisturizing. I'm using the Untie the Knots leave-in conditioner and the 4-in-1 hydrating cream, and now I'm just parting my hair for the front flat twists. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to be doing 4 flat twists in front. So now I'm just flat twisting the same technique. I separate my hair into pieces before I flat twist. And yeah, just do that for all the 4 sections. This style took me 2 days to do. I'm saying it again. So it's not something you want to rush. It's not something that you do if you're in a rush or in a hurry or something. It's a style that you do if you just want to practice something on your head and you have a lot of time. Or you can simply just get someone else to do it for you, and that will make it much easier. But if you're doing it on your own head and you are not blow drying your hair, it's going to take a while to do. Just being honest, full disclosure, so you guys will know. So now I am done. We are done. This is the finished hairstyle. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Then I'm gonna go and put on some makeup, wear my clothes, and come back and show you guys the full look. I was so proud of this hairstyle. I was really proud of myself for being able to do this. So I added some beads to my front twist because you guys know I love beads. I love putting beads and stuff, gold cuffs and all of that in my hair. But yeah, I'm just turning around so you guys will see. I want you guys to really get a full view of how it looks from different angles. So if you decide to try this, you know exactly what to do and how to do your parts. So this is another way that I like to wear this hairstyle. So as you can see, you can put it in buns, or you can go ahead and add beads all around. So I have options for wearing this hairstyle. I'm going to leave this in for, I plan on leaving it for at least 2 weeks, so 2 to 3 weeks, because this hairstyle is so beautiful. It's such a convenient, protective style. All my strands are properly twisted and tucked away, so my hair is going to retain a lot of the moisture from the products. Oh god, this style is beautiful. Shout out to my sister once again for giving me this idea. Initially I wanted to do patewo, but she was like, just do tushuku, and I'm like, tushuku, okay. So I did it and I love it. But yeah, this style is just absolutely gorgeous. Again, I'm still turning around so you guys will see all the parts and everything. I really took my time on this. I did an amazing job. Oh yeah, this is another way I wear the hairstyle as well. I also like push the bangs to the side. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if this is something that you can try out. Yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys like the style. Initially I wanted to do a different style, but my sister actually gave me the idea for this hairstyle and it turned out even better than I expected. I'm going to keep this hairstyle in for 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, I really like it. It's actually one of the nicest styles I've ever done. I really love how this thing turned out. It's almost 1 a.m. I'm super tired. I want to go sleep. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.